Greetings, Green Thumb Gardening family. And before the rain begins to fall here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel, just a quick first-time peek at the purple Muscadine grapevines, the bronze Muscadine grapevines, and the Concord grapevine that we currently have growing here at the vineyard in our backyard food forest. Take a look at this, YouTube. All right, YouTube, here we are approaching the vineyard and our backyard food forest here next to our high tunnel greenhouse over there. This is our purple Muscadine grapevine. This is our second year of purple Muscadine grapevine. The first year here in our food forest, well, here in our gardens here, YouTube, we had this Muscadine grapevine planted in a different location in a shady area. It actually fruited last season, but it didn't produce fruit this season. This is, again, our 2-year-old purple Muscadine grapevine here at the vineyard in our backyard food forest next to our high tunnel greenhouse. It's looking pretty and green and spreading out rapidly across this makeshift trellis we have going on here this year. We promise you guys that at the end of this year, when these plants go dormant, we come out here, we prune them back a bit. We'll actually build a real trellis out here for these vines. Next year they'll be a lot heavier than what they currently are here this year, and we want to have a proper trellis here prepared for them next season. Next to our purple Muscadine grapevine here, YouTube, this is our 3-year-old bronze Muscadine grapevine here, YouTube, and she is loaded this year. Last year she bared, the previous year she bared, but this year she is loaded, YouTube. I'm gonna take you guys there for some close-ups and show you guys what the muscadines are currently looking like on our bronze Muscadine grapevine, our 3-year-old bronze Muscadine grapevine. Take a look at this. Yeah, see there, YouTube, we take you down along the vine and show you these muscadines, YouTube. She is bearing all the way down to ground level here, YouTube, this year. We couldn't be more excited and pleased about the way our bronze Muscadine grapevine, our 3-year-old bronze Muscadine grapevine, is currently performing for us here at the vineyard in our backyard food forest, YouTube. This is the other side of that same grapevine here. Now she stretches out this direction and that direction and that direction and straight up, YouTube, here. It's the other side of that grapevine here, YouTube, and she has a few here on this side as well, as you guys can see if I take you in here for a close-up. She is doing her thing here this year. We're super excited to see that and hoping for an even much more productive year from this grapevine next year. This is our 1-year-old seed-grown Concord grapevine. She actually produced flowers this year, YouTube, but those flowers didn't get pollinated. Therefore, we have no Concord grapes on this vine this year. We're not too disappointed about that, YouTube. We know that next year here in this full sun location, all of these grapevines will produce a lot better than they did the first couple of years when we had them over there beneath those trees at the entrance to our driveway over there, YouTube. But again, our 2-year-old purple Muscadine grapevine here at the vineyard, our 3-year-old bronze Muscadine grapevine here at the vineyard, and our 1-year-old Concord grapevine here at the vineyard. Thanks for watching. And if indeed you currently are watching this video on our Muscadine grapevines and our Concord grapevine here at the vineyard, and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please indeed take this moment to put that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, YouTube, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Thanks for watching.